And to end our news bulletin, there is predictions the Southwest Pacific will be affected by 9 to 12 named tropical cyclones. The expectation is that normal or above normal tropical cyclone activity will occur for most islands west of the international dateline in the Southwest Pacific during the November 2010 to April 2011 season. Although risk is reduced east of the international dateline, all communities should remain alert and prepared. 9 to 12 named tropical cyclones are expected over the coming season for the Southwest Pacific between 135 degrees east to 120 degrees west. On average, 9 tropical cyclones occur each year for the Southwest Pacific region. Southwest Pacific tropical cyclones are grouped into classes ranging from 1 to 5, with 5 being the most dangerous. For the coming season, 3 cyclones are forecast to reach at least Category 3, and 1 cyclone is expected to reach Category 4 with mean wind speeds of at least 64 knots or 118 kilometers per hour. Projections also show an increased risk of tropical cyclones for 2010-11 season over the Coral Sea and to the southwest of Fiji, particularly for Papua New Guinea, the Solomon Islands, Vanuatu and New Caledonia. New Zealand is also at a higher risk of experiencing an ex-tropical cyclone interaction this season. While risk is generally reduced for islands to the east of the international dateline during La Nina, historical cyclone tracks indicates that tropical cyclones can affect parts of southwest French Polynesia, including the Society and Austral Islands and the Cook Islands during La Ninas. All islands should remain vigilant as the current La Nina continues to evolve with progression into austral summer. Director for Meteorological Services, Yonitasi Puleto, said Niue has reduced risks, but communities should still be prepared. The Niue Disaster Council is scheduled to meet tomorrow to receive an overview and relook at disaster plans and preparedness for the island. We will bring you more on that story in our future news bulletin. That's our news bulletin for this evening. Good night.